This is really getting on my nerves. This blooming compressor and these blooming pipes all over the floor, I keep nearly breaking my neck. And I don't really like this area either, because this is the toolbox for the machines and the black toolbox is supposed to be in the other side with all the spanners and the ratchets and the clamps and the things that I need in there, but they're in here, so I'm having to go to and fro. I've had an idea, but I think I'm going to have to make a little bench to go here. I knew keeping this old bench would come in handy. Still got that bit done. That's going to go in there like so. Might be a bit tricky to get it together because obviously that side's been welded. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. That's quite far away. Perfect. I'm going to put a strip round here, just on 3 sides to alt legs, and I've come to the conclusion doing this is dirty work. The floor is dirty, I'm dirty, it's no good, it's no good. I'm going to have to find a new profession. Oh hang on, I don't do this as a profession anymore. Oh well, that's alright. How smart's that? It looks a bit better, doesn't it? And a bit tidier than that horrible mess that we had before. We got the toolbox all sorted. We can now shut the lid. We've got the tools in for Bridgeport. Bit of extra storage across the top. For now, we got like the reamers and the Morse taper drills, some other drills and bits and pieces. And most importantly, the compressor now fits underneath. We may have to make a mesh panel for the top of the compressor because we don't want any of the swarf hitting the important parts of the compressor. We'll just have a check and see what bridge it chucks out. This new box here, which has got all my milling cutters in. We got metric at the top and imperial at the bottom. And then I've got my collets here, which I'm going to make something for them. Might use the 3D printer that you've not seen yet to make some nice trays that can go in the toolbox. But I'm liking it. It looks quite smart. It also means that I'm going to have a lot more room on the other side of the workshop, and I'm going to be able to move around quite easily. If you like what you've seen in the video and you haven't subscribed already, then please by all means click the subscribe button down below and the notification bell, and you'll be notified when we next release a video. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Following on from this video, you could click up here because you may enjoy that video, and alternatively you could choose this video down here, which you may also like. Stay safe. Laters. Suppose we better start plumbing this thing in.